Hi friend, welcome to our channel and you are watching 72 Info TV. Who does not know Elon Musk, the owner of PayPal, SpaceX and Tesla? We will sharing with you the whole story of how he succeeded. So before discussing this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.
Friends, you have often seen people who say that we will change the world, but in practice they do nothing. But there is one person who has made it a reality, which the world know as the Elon Musk. Elon Musk said that if it is necessary to do something but people, life and time, even if everything is against you, you should still do the same thing. Therefore, in this situation, this man did what no one else did. Friends, remember one thing, that you sincerely want to achieve, then to achieve it, you have to do everything that will help you achieve it. You will become surprised to know that in January 2020, Musk was the richest man in the world, but today in January 2021, he has become the richest man in the world. With his hard work, Elon Musk did what even the greatest man in the world could not have guessed. Friends, Elon Musk has earned as much money as Bill Gates has in 1 year. When Elon Musk was asked about his success, he said that the secret of my success is failure. I was very happy to hear his answer. Elon Musk said that if failure had not come in my life, they would never have been so successful today. Another of his most famous remark was that he said that failure are small obstacle for you. If you do not get in the way, it means you are not doing anything big, he said. Therefore, it is very important for you to phase out the failure in life and learn from them. Because friend, if you want to do something big, then be prepared to face failure, because failure are actually a ladder to success. Because friend, there is no one in this world who thinks he is perfect. So there must be some failure in everyone's life. Friends, at the age of 12 we play video games today or waste time on your mobile phones. At the age of 12, Elon Musk made a video game which amazed the whole world at that time. Because friend, in 1984 there was no one who had enough money to do such a great job. $1 was worth a lot in 1984. But still Elon Musk sold this video game to a company for $500. Elon Musk read books other than school, for which he spent 8 to 9 hours a day. It is sad that when Elon Musk went to school, he did not have any friend. But if there was any friend, it was his book, which he read with great interest. Elon Musk's family often complained to him that he rarely listened, but the fact was that he read book with such interest that he did not focus on other side. No Friday or Sunday, meet work every day. Friends, we work 8 or 9 hours a day today. Elon Musk works 16 hours a day. And this routine of theirs has been going on for the last 10 years, not today. You will be surprised to know that when Elon Musk sold his company PayPal, he got 28.80 billion. He was only 33 at the time. If there was a person like us, he would have wasted his money. But Elon Musk invested all his money in SpaceX. It is sad that when he formed the SpaceX company, many such people made fun of him. Elon Musk also lost billions during this time, after which nothing was left to pay the scientists working on this project. Then this man did another amazing thing. He read all the rocket science book himself. After which they spent billions of rupees and sent to a rocket into space, which crashed before its target. He then continued his work and spent another rocket into space, which went into space but could not reach orbit. He failed in his mission many times in a row, but he did not give up his hard work. In the meantime, I have remembered a poem: every moment, every effort will continue. If not today, then tomorrow will be our destination. And so Elon Musk mortgaged his house and launched the 4th rocket that succeeded in making this mission a success. But Elon Musk's hard work paid off and his SpaceX project was a success. Did you know that if Elon Musk's fourth rocket test had not been successful, he would have been completely destroyed? In addition, Elon Musk performed another feat by developing a battery-powered vehicle to protect his air from pollution, which also benefited many poor countries. So they developed a solar panel to generate cheap electricity. They also started working on tunnels to reduce road congestion so that people could use tunnels to avoid rush in the future. Friends, his greatest achievement was that he started building colonies on Mars. These colonies are trying to shift the richest people in the world. Friends, it was Elon Musk who fulfilled all his dream. If we would never have been able to do that, because if we had seen him, we would have left our work unfinished on the way. Not only that, in the next few years, Elon Musk will be launching more than 80,000 satellites into space, which will make the internet 1,000 times faster than today. On May 1, 2020, Elon Musk shared a news item regarding his company Tesla that its shares are talking to the skies. But all the shareholders in the world have come to know that this is what the CEO of the company has said. So in the meantime, all the shareholders sold their share, which cast a lot of loss to the company. As a result, Tesla had to pay back their money. But a few days later, Tesla share really started to skyrocket. So friends, how did you feel after hearing this story? Be sure to mention it in the comment section.